Imagine that you're the CEO of a huge company and you're about to launch an exciting product. You step out of your office and shout, "Come up with a slogan for this." Don't you think that's weird? You want something done, but you're not asking the right person to do it. The first step to a better prompt, use the right persona for the job. Tell ChaGPT who it is before asking it to do something. There's still something missing, but you could start with, "You're a senior marketing professional specializing in AI solutions. There's a problem. I have an idea." Hey man.
Hey Ronnie, what's going on?
What helps you achieve good content?
The more details you share, the better I can do. I'll ask questions such as, who is the target audience? What pain point are they facing? What challenges do they have?
How's work been?
We are just exploding. My team, the product marketing team, has tons of work to do.
Could you tell what the problem is with step 2, which is give detailed instructions? I mean, we could say something like, "We're about to launch a product that helps developers rapidly deploy AI models," but how would we know what the marketing expert would need to know?
I'll ask questions such as, who is the target audience? I'll ask questions such as,
Get ChatGPT to ask you questions. We're about to launch a new product that helps developers rapidly deploy AI models. Ask me questions one at a time until you have all the information needed to come up with 5 slogan ideas. There's one big idea hiding behind these 3 techniques that might change the way you use AI forever. By the way, I make these videos almost every week. The idea of thinking of yourself as a leader and using prompts in the way that leaders solve problems.